All right, we're working on Herons area formula. This is a formula to find the area of a triangle when only given 3 sides. So we only have 3 sides of a triangle. We are in lesson 12.9 and we're talking about Herons area formula. Here's the formula. S is equal to, and A plus B plus C is all the sides added together. Notice it's divided by 2. And then it is all going to go under the square root. So this is how you actually find the area. You take the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. So the first question says find the area of a triangle with sides 20, 30, and 30. So the first thing I'm going to do is find S by adding 20, 30, and 30 together and divide by 2. So when I do that, I get 80. 80 divided by 2 is 40. So now I'm going to put those all under a radical. And you know what? Instead of actually, I didn't mean to write S, I meant to write 40. If S is 40, I like to go ahead and just put the whole formula in my calculator because I don't have to calculate anything that way, but you can go ahead and calculate. Sometimes I like to encourage students to not, try to avoid any section of making mistakes. So here is what we use to find the area. Area is equal to, and I'm going to plug that right in my calculator. So we'll push pause and you do the same thing. And I got the area. My area was 282.84. And let's just say for now we'll round 2 decimal places unless it tells us differently. All right, here's one for us. Determine the area of a triangle. A lot of times we use this area formula when we have oblique triangles. And oblique triangles mean that we have the triangles that do not have a right angle. A right angle is easy because we could take 1/2 base times height. So I'm going to go ahead and find S. Remember that S is equal to 28 plus 33 plus 37, all divided by 2. So push pause and tell me what you get for S. I got S is equal to 49. Did you get the same? Wonderful. And let's go ahead and put the area in. We're going to have 49. 49 minus 28. 49 minus 33, 49 minus 37. And did you know in your calculator you don't even have to push times if you have the TI-84? You can just do those open parentheses just like I have. So once again, I'm going to push pause and calculate this. And for the area, I got 444.49. It was 486, but since we're rounding 2 decimal places, I rounded up. And that would be meters squared. All right, and that is Herons area formula.